Look at Pepe. Boy, oh boy, just this little move right here. Okay, we got in this trade in Discord. I had one member do a 13x on his money. You know, just from this move. He didn't even get rid of it the whole way at the top here. He sold it somewhere up here, got back in down here somewhere, and is riding it back up. But 13x on his money. I mean, this move here should turn out to be a whopper. All right, take a measurement of this wedge, and we're going to be super conservative. Let's just go to there. All right, pull it over here, put it on there. You know, potentially looking up here, up into this area here. All right, what is that percentage wise? Well, right from where we're at up to there, you're over 100%. So on a 10x, on leverage, you would 10x your money. You know, 20x, you had 20x your money, and so on. It's crazy, isn't it? Absolutely nuts, man, when you think about it, that you can do that with your money and leverage. But very, very, very well. You know, he just did a 13x on this one move right here. Okay, 13x his money. 13x. All right. So you can definitely make a lot of money in leverage trading, but you got to be super, super careful, guys. Don't go out there and sign up for a leverage account and say, "Oh, I'm going to start leverage trading," and use 100x leverage, and so you'll get wiped out so fast that you will go broke. You'll be, you know, crying and whining. I'm telling you, it will happen. Please, 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 go learn from somebody. Learn how to trade, how to draw your trend lines, all that stuff. If you don't get it from me, then go get it from somebody. Learn what you're doing out there, and use you know, good entries, stop losses. Always use a stop loss. Always use a stop loss. Okay, you put a trade in before you go to bed at night, and you're up huge. You wake up in the morning and it wicked down through, took your whole account, wiped your whole account out because you didn't use a stop loss. Always use a stop loss, please. All right. Now, if you're interested, we have a level 3 membership. It's $14.99. You get over 10 hours of videos to teach how to start charting like this, how to use all these tools on the left, how to set up your trading view, all that stuff. And you get a link to the Discord for $14.99. All right, so if that interests you, we have over 200 members. We would love to have you, okay? Now, let's take a look here at Pepe and see what we got going on here. All right, this is on a daily chart here. All right, what you would normally expect is a retracement to a 618-702. That's normal stuff, okay? So that would be up into, right up into here. 618-702. All right, but the measured move of the wedge is putting it up into this zone, and who knows? Quite honestly, it could end up in here somewhere for sure. We did a very conservative measurement there. All right, now you're getting a pullback down here. If we come out on a weekly, all right, take a look where we're at now, and over in Discord, a lot of people got sold up here. We're trying to get that re-entry here for this next run up. Okay, this is wave. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably a 5th wave coming up here, and then an ABC, and then another 5 waves up. You know, this could take a minute. This is on a weekly, so each one of these candles represents 1 week. Okay, now we're looking for this next area to get a bounce off of here. We do have monthly support right here. Okay, let's take a look at this. Right out here, okay, is a monthly support area. Let's get back to that weekly. Does that line up with some areas? Absolutely does. You have some closing candles, some wicks, and you just about came down through and have hit that. Okay, so looks like a pretty decent area, you know, for this thing to hold support and start bouncing back towards the upside here. All right, now if you come in on a smaller time frame, like a daily, you can see all kinds of wave counts in here. You know, this could be right in here. Looks to me like we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 coming up here. Okay, a pushback up here, which is just this move from here to here is unbelievable. These smaller price tokens, you know what I mean? When you're trading them, your profits go up extremely fast, and the other way around also. This is a 45% move, 46% move, just from here to here, 46%. Okay, just in that move right there. All right, now wave 5. If this is a wave 5 coming up, you know, back to this line. Look at that, how that lines up. That's crazy, ain't it? That's your Fibonacci levels. This is absolutely nuts how this stuff works out. You see what I'm talking about? That's your 702 Fibonacci level. Unbelievable. You know, I would definitely, not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but looks like a pretty good chance that it's going to hold on this yellow line. I don't think the price is going to go any deeper than that. All right, should hold there. If it does come down any deeper, it's not going to be a whole lot. But anyway, the daily RSI, the daily's pulling down. All right, you got your 12-hour just about reset, almost there. The 8-hour is reset. It's at a 4.8 and a 4.5. It's turn bullish. The 4-hour is at a 6 and a 9, just about reset. The 1-hour is at a 22.2 and a 23.8. Okay, the 1 hour is trying to. You do have bullish divergence here on the 1 hour too. You got this low and a lower low in price. You got this low and a higher low in the RSI. 30-minute. Same thing. You got some bullish divergence going on down here. I believe so on this 30-minute. I know you're doing the 15 for sure. Back here, yeah, you got this low and you got a higher low in the RSI. And this completely opposite there, but looking like probably getting a push up here, a pullback. It could push down to this yellow line now. You know, on this 12-hour, you can see we haven't hit it yet. And on a monthly, I could pull down just a hair, right? Yeah, could have just a hair left to pull down on that thing. As long as when we measure this out, that 1618 hits our 702 up there, I think it's good. Yeah, you know, it could pull down just a hair more down in here. All them zeros, 88.11, somewhere around there, I would imagine. But Pepe's got some big moves coming here for sure, guys. No doubt about it. You got that weekly RSI heading towards the upside. The monthly, no monthly yet. Let's look at the 5-day. 5-day looks great. And your 3-day. 3 days rolling over a little bit with your daily. But your weekly and your 5-day look really good yet. I mean, this thing... yeah, definitely looking fantastic. No question about it. So keep your eye on Pepe. We got some big moves here. It looks like this correction could be about over here. So keep your eye on this thing. Have a great day, guys. Go sign up for that level 3 membership. We would love to have you get over there trading with us. We'll talk to you soon, guys.